So hello guys, in my previous video I told you about how you can use Kimi K2.7 completely free, and I also show you the practicals. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can use Kimi K2.7 completely free in OpenCode. Yeah, you heard it right. So I got a comment where they ask about to use Kimi K2.7 in terminal, so you can use this part, and I will try my best to provide you step-by-step tutorial. Okay, so be with us, watch the video till the end. Okay. So guys, what you have to do is simply come to OpenCode.ai. Here you can just click on this to copy the URL and come to terminal and paste this code. Hit enter, and it will take a little bit time and it will download and install successfully. As you can see, it start installing. In that meantime, you have to simply go to this page that I will provide the link in the description, and here you have to go to AI, then Workers AI. And inside this we just use this in our previous video, but in this video we are going to use REST API. So click on it, and here you got account ID and a token. Now how to use it, let me just show you. So come to your open code, and here you can see it is installed successfully. So now just type open code, okay, and hit enter. Now if you take a look, I am using Kimi K2.7 code completely because I have already done the steps. So let me just tell you how you can do that. So just type slash here and go to connect, click enter, and here you have to search for workers, and here you got Cloudflare Workers AI. Click on it, then you have to enter your account ID just like here, paste it, then here enter, then you have to enter API key. Okay, now I have already done that, so I will just click on escape, and here you got this. Now after this just type slash and go to models, and after that you got these three models, that is Kimi K2.7, GLM 4.7 and Kimi K2.6. so just click on Kimi K2.7 and let's check it by just typing hello. If it works, means it works successfully. Okay, so I'm not going to just create another AI model, or so I'm not going to create again another website. Okay, I'm just showing you how you can do that. So here you can see it working successfully, and you can also check this how many context it using, like how many spent. Okay, so you can just check it out. So that's all about guys today's video, and I hope this is a very short and informative video, and I hope you like it. Okay, so make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and for these type of contents make sure to subscribe us and press bell icon to all, so that you get all notifications and watch the video as soon as possible. So that's all about today's video. Happy coding.